Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my hubster's birthday, so we're gonna go out to dinner. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. I'm gonna use this blush. This is I think E13 from Morphe. Again, I think Morphe discontinued that whole line of brushes, which was their elite brushes, and I think they're doing something else, another. But I haven't really bought anything from Morphe in a minute. So we're gonna go into Elizabeth, which is a dark brown. Whew. Okay, this is so powdery. Like it just like when this doesn't bother me, but I'm just letting you guys know. So there's a lot of kickback in this. A lot of kickback. And it's like all women names, yep. And I'm just like stamping this because this brush is not really a blending brush. So we just like look at this, right? Like it's just like all this kickback, like this crazy. I don't know what I feel about that. So I'm gonna go, is that a shimmer? No. I'm gonna go into Mandy, which is this shade. And then I'm just gonna like put it right here. Same thing, that shade has a lot of fallout. Like it's just, it's so, and I'm not even like going in there pretty heavy. It's like, it's just flying all over the place. Like that's crazy. Now I'm gonna go back. Man, allergies are killing me. I'm in Texas and it's the worst. I don't know, man, if I would ever buy this palette. Like it's crazy how it's so powdery. So powdery, like it's crazy. So there's a couple shimmers. I'm thinking I'm gonna use Mackenzie maybe, and yeah, Mackenzie, but I feel like I need something. Oh, how about a little bit of glitter glue? So first, I'm actually gonna put a little bit of Jen, but let me put, I don't know what to do with this. Dude, this thing is so like, guys, all the shades are just like so powdery. I literally have like so many glitter glues, but I don't know what they are. Looking like we're getting something started today. Cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels. So let's go into Mackenzie, which is this shade right here. Cause I have like, you know, little pinky flowers on my shirt, my top. I just wanna dance with you all night, yeah. Me no care what happen tomorrow. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. And then this is just like making a big old hole. Like I don't know what's going on with this palette, guys, but it is like not the best quality, which is wild. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know about that. So this is a S230 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Let me see. because I also have green on my top. I'm trying to, like, you know, make it look like right here. Yeah, I'll put this, which is Noreen, right here, and just blend Noreen from the shimmer to the brown, which Noreen also has fallout. Like pretty much every shade in this that I've used has fallout. So it's not much. And then I'm gonna go back to Elizabeth and just like and then back to Mackenzie. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back and time to talk about this foundation. I know I'm missing my lash here. I'm waiting for my glue to dry. But let's jump into this foundation. So the foundation is $18, which I think is kind of high for low end, but I usually do like 20 and below for low end. So it's from the Crème shop, and it is a CC Crème full coverage age define moisturizing. I got tan. This looks dark, but I don't know, because the shade before that looks super light, and then this, it's like there was no, you know, in between, and I refuse to buy two foundations. I want to use this is actually from my BoxyCharm, and it's a day cream, so let's put a little bit of that on here, just a little bit. I'm also going to use this night cream, recovery cream, just a little bit right here. So this is from Elemis, and it is the Peptide Eye Recovering Cream. Doesn't really have a smell. Oh, this have a smell though. The face cream has a smell, but the eye cream does not. I feel like that looks under my eye very dewy, but that's okay. And then a little bit of this, that's all I want to this. Let me use this from Becca. It is the Poreless Perfector. Right here. Some of this stuff is like, I just need to use it so I can be done with it. I mean, that look is quite, you know, not a lot going on, but you know, it is what it is. This is like my perfect color corrector. Perfect. Now let us jump into this foundation. Oh my god, this foundation makes me nervous on how dark it looks. So this says it's tan 160, which usually tan is too light for me. Like I need a darker shade, so we'll see. Actually, no, it looks fine. Might be a little darker than I usually go, but so you see, so that shade doesn't match. So let's do this. So right here, that's the shade. See the shade? And look at how dark this is. Like, it doesn't match it. Let's put it close to my forehead at all. I'm gonna use my Tarte, but I'm gonna use medium. So this is actually from Fresh Cosmetics. And this is an E44. Let's go ahead and blend this. And I'm gonna use my dirty slick brush, which I need to stop using because this brush is dirty. Don't do that because that's not very good for your skin. This is from e.l.f. It's a Camo Liquid Blush. Oh god, this is bright. So this is shade Gorge Orange, and this is coming in Hot Pink. So I'm gonna mix them actually. And then I'm gonna use this brush. This is just a foundation brush actually. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I'm gonna jump my powder from Charlotte Tilbury in shade 1. I'm obsessed with this powder. Now I'm going into this. This is my Makeup Forever powder. I don't know, I feel like I took off that stuff because you can get in there like quite easy. I don't know, I think there was a little sifter and I took it off because my patience with this thing is annoying. Like I just want to get it like. Perfect. Now let me do my under eye real quick and then just gonna do a little black in there. And this is Waterline from Urban Decay in the shade Legend. Let's see if we can just blend this real quick. I'm only gonna use that really dark brown shade. So we're gonna go to Elizabeth. And for my inner corner, I think I'm gonna go into Divya. This shade right here. Or maybe Lindsay. Actually, Lindsay P. Let's bronze. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This bronzer is so big. I feel like I'm never gonna finish this bronzer. Never gonna finish because it's like so big. I'm gonna use my M406 from Morphe. Actually, I think I'm gonna mix. Oh, sure. Am I just gonna go pink? Maybe. Let's mix this. Let's mix. This is the Bloom blush palette from Makeup by. Let's do Peach and Forest. Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Why is this word not coming out of my mouth? No. Let's do a little highlighter. I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a liquid lip, like just a lip gloss, and then I'll figure out if I'm gonna put anything else on my lips. This is Pro Hybrid Lip Oil from House Lab. So just a lip oil. So this is how the final look come out. I actually really like it. It's like nice and soft. I think it's perfect, you know, to just go to a simple dinner with my hubs. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Now, girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down, down, down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? 'Cause you are